Hi friends, my name is Thomas and I'm from North Karnataka. This is going to be a testimonial on Neerav Yadav's Elliott Wave training program. To tell a little bit about me, basically I'm a mechanical engineer by profession, and because of my passion into markets, I'm deep into that. I started my trading journey around 4 years back in the financial markets, and as every novice, even I made a lot of losses. But because of my passion into markets, I was studying continuously and I wanted to know how exactly the financial market moves. And for this, I took a lot of courses throughout the country, and I didn't find anything much satisfactory. But one thing I understood: market moves on collective psychology of the human beings, and I understood that Elliott wave is the one thing which depicts the collective psychology. Now the real challenge started for me. I wanted to find a person who really trades on Elliott wave, and at the same time, I want him to teach Elliott wave also. So that is where I found the real teacher. And I stumbled upon Neerav's applied Elliott wave webinar via one of the emails I subscribed, and I found that these things were really working. I looked upon his accuracy and I was totally sold out. And immediately I booked a class. I booked a call with Neerav, and in the first meeting itself, I understood the depth of the knowledge and the hold on the subject what Neerav has. And immediately I never looked back. I booked his video course, and at the same time, after looking at that video course, then after that I understood that these are the things which are really working, and I want to learn everything live. And because of this, I went and enrolled for his LT program, that is a long term program. And as a part of the training program, we were given access to the Slack group, and Neerav regularly used to update all his charts in the Slack group. And during the regular meetings, he used to explain the charts, why the trade was taken, how the count was done, and what was the reason for taking that trade, which was regularly increasing my confidence. And even I thought, oh yes, I can also do this. Yeah, and he used to give homework, and he used to discuss about all those homeworks, what we have done, what homework he has given to me, and he used to discuss the same thing in the class. And I used to see everything in the live market, and we discussed all the Nifty 50 stocks and way more than that. And the training sessions were very intense, and we nearly discussed about 40 to 45 hours of intense training which I had in Elliott wave with Neerav. And I have seen the power of this Elliott wave uh, in a multitude of stocks, and I understood, I really understood how the financial market is now moving. To tell about Neerav is the best Elliottician whom I know, and he not only teaches, he wants us also to become traders like him. He breaks all the psychological barriers. He took a couple of sessions on psychology also, which is very important for trading. He breaks all the psychological barriers in our mind of trading, and he wants us also to become the best traders like him. His knowledge about Elliott wave is exceptional and incomparable, and as far as I know, nobody is there in India who teaches Elliott wave like Neerav. And anybody who wants to learn Elliott wave, Neerav is the best teacher you can get. And here the complex course has been broken into the simple concepts and clear-cut explanations. I'm really privileged to get a mentor like Neerav. And I know that this is going to be really a turning point in my trading career. And I highly recommend this course to each and every person who really wants to learn Elliott wave. So to tell really finally about me, I'm in a much better position than before, and I really understand how the financial market moves. And I would really like to thank Neerav. And I'm to tell the real thing, I'm privileged to get a mentor like Neerav Yadav. And I highly recommend this course to any person who likes to learn Elliott wave. And finally, once again, I thank Neerav for teaching me this Elliott wave. And any person who wants to learn Elliott wave, Neerav Yadav is the best teacher. That's what I can say. So thank you, friends. Thank you. Bye.